Ripe apples hang heavily on orchard trees under soft morning sunlight. Mechanical harvesters gently shake apples from the branches. Fresh apples fall into large collection trays below the trees. Workers guide apples into large transport bins. Bins full of apples are loaded onto transport trucks. A truck carrying apples drives toward the processing facility. Apples are unloaded into large steel intake hoppers. Conveyor belts move the apples toward the washing section. High-pressure water sprays clean the apple surfaces. Rotating brushes scrub dirt and residue from the apples. Clean apples move forward on stainless steel conveyors. Sorting machines remove damaged or unsuitable apples. Selected apples enter the crushing chamber. Industrial grinders break the apples into pulp. Apple pulp moves toward the juice extraction press. Hydraulic presses squeeze juice from the apple pulp. Fresh apple juice flows into large steel tanks. Remaining apple pulp is separated and discarded. The juice is pumped through filtration pipes. Microfilters remove fine solid particles from the juice. Clear apple juice moves through transparent tubes. Pasteurization chambers heat the juice for safety. Steam rises from heated stainless steel pipelines. The juice flows into cooling tanks. Temperature controls bring the juice back to optimal levels. Multiple juice batches are blended together. Sensors check the clarity and consistency of the juice. The final juice batch is stored in holding tanks. Valves open to send juice toward the bottling line. Empty bottles move along the filling conveyor. Apple juice is poured into each bottle. Filling machines ensure equal levels in every bottle. Bottle caps are placed and sealed tightly. Sealed bottles move to the labeling section. Labels are applied smoothly to each bottle. quality scanners check bottle seals and labels. Finished bottles continue along the conveyor. Bottles are grouped together for packaging. Automatic machines place bottles into cartons. Boxes of apple juice move towards storage. Packaged cartons are stacked on pallets. Forklifts move pallets into the warehouse. Rows of apple juice boxes fill the storage area. Warehouse workers prepare shipments for transport. Pallets are loaded onto delivery trucks. Trucks are sealed and prepared for distribution. Finished apple juice leaves the factory. The factory floor continues running smoothly. Production lines operate in perfect synchronization. Quality control teams monitor every process. The final apple juice batch is verified for shipment. The warehouse remains fully stocked. All production systems continue operating efficiently. The factory prepares for the next production cycle. Fresh apple juice is ready for global distribution.